Hi friends, neighbors, fellow realtors. I'm at 66 Orchard Beach Boulevard at my open house today from 2:30 to 4 o'clock. I am scheduled right now from 2:45 until 4, booked straight through. I plan on selling this today. I plan on entering into an agreement today and the contracts are ready to go out. So if you're interested, call me, Bill Bodouva, 516-815-6600. I can lag around a little bit after 4, but that's about it. What's nice now is I'm scheduling open houses by appointment, as many other realtors are, and it gives serious buyers the opportunity to come and see houses and buy houses. So everyone coming today, except for one, has been pre-approved. I already gave me the mortgage pre-approvals, signed the New York State disclosure for buyer and seller, and the new forms, as far as discrimination. So all I need to do is take a picture of a driver's license, photo ID, and show the house, which is nice to serious buyers. No more looky-loos. All right, if you're interested, here I am. If not, enjoy your day.